Welcome to our channel. Today, start by understanding the fundamental principles of user experience design. Familiarize yourself with Adobe tools such as Adobe XD, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Open Adobe XD to create wireframes for your project. Begin by sketching your layout ideas directly within Adobe XD. Utilize the grid and layout tools to maintain consistency across your design. Focus on creating a user flow that guides users through your application effectively. Add components like buttons and input fields using the design system features in Adobe XD. Incorporate images and icons from Adobe stock or your own library to enhance visual appeal. Apply color theory to select a color palette that aligns with your brand identity. Ensure your typography is clear and readable by choosing appropriate font styles and sizes. Create high-fidelity prototypes by linking your wireframes with interactive elements. Test the prototype by simulating user interactions and navigating through the design. Gather feedback from peers or real users to identify pain points in the design. Use the feedback to iterate on your design, making necessary adjustments and refinements. Focus on accessibility by ensuring color contrast and text sizes meet web standards. Once satisfied with the design, export your assets for development. Clearly document your design specifications for developers and collaborators to follow. Continuously seek to improve your design based on user feedback post-launch. Regularly update your knowledge on UX design trends and Adobe tool enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.